Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing a builder gel set. Now I feel like builder gel on YouTube does not get as much love as like acrylic or poly gel, but I wanted to just pull this baby out because builder gel was literally so easy, and I feel like whenever I do it I get like a seamless set of nails, and yeah, it's just so easy. I was watching a couple tutorials this week from one girl named Lisette Cruz. She's like the queen of builder gel on YouTube, and I absolutely love her channel. Definitely check her out if you guys get the chance. She had a video showing how she makes her own custom builder gels, and I've done stuff like that before, but I had just never tried to do it. So yeah, this was my first time mixing up my own builder gel with gel pots. Now, these gel pots that I'm using, I got these off of Amazon. They were super cheap, not great quality by themselves, and they kind of have a smell, which is really weird for gel because if you're familiar with gel polishes, 90% of them do not have smells, and these ones are so strong. Oh my god. But yeah, you guys will see how I mix those up because honestly they have just been sitting in a box, just, you know, stinking away, and this actually helped me be able to make my own colors and actually not waste my money and use them. So I'm super excited that I tried this out in this video. Okay, so currently we are prepping my nails like I do in every video. Today I am just doing a full cover nail tip. I'm using the eNail Couture XL coffin shape tips. I like these a lot. I don't ever use them as much as I like want to because I'm not a huge long nail person. I like long nails, but like these are long. Like these are some grippers. So I don't show it in the video, but I do actually go in and cut down the sides just because I wanted more of a tapered coffin shape. I didn't want anything to be very wide. So yeah, I actually skipped a couple steps in this video because this is what we came here for. We came here to see this. So right now I'm taking the IBD clear hard gel, and I'm using just an orange stick, and I'm using a ramekin that my boyfriend got me from his job because I don't want to buy any more containers. All the containers I have I get from the dollar store, and I've used all of them. So this is just fast, easy. I used like all of this gel I mixed together, and then I was able to just throw it away. So to get your aqua color, I literally just mixed a like mint green with a true kind of like soft blue color, and you know, I kind of just look at it and adjust it because these colors are going to be very jelly as long as you're not using a like white based color, like completely white based color. It will look jelly, so you just want to add a little bit more color as you go because this is going to be very sheer and very thin. I would recommend, I didn't do it, but I would recommend, you know, doing a little swatch test on like a extra nail that you have just to see that it cures and looks the way that you want it to. So right here I'm just taking out the colors that I'm going to use for the detailing and my nails. I'm using these little Beetles nail polishes from Amazon, and this was like those were like my first gel polishes I ever bought, and I have no regrets. I love them. So currently right now we're just doing a thin layer of base coat just so everything sticks to the nails. And I'm doing another layer of base coat just to be able to adhere these flakies to my fingernails. Honestly, this was probably not the best idea to use such thick flakies because they were kind of raised up a little bit. Honestly, if you guys saw my last video where I encapsulated the flakies underneath the nail, I think that would be actually a lot easier of a way to do this. Let me know if you guys want to see like a more in-depth video on how you do that to make your nails like very seamless, because I kind of want to see for myself. But right here you guys will see I'm just going straight over that, and I'm just adding on a very thin layer of this gel. I'm not building the nail up, I'm literally just using this for the color. So I go in with a little bit of white polish, and you can use any kind of brush for this. You do not have to use this brush. This actually isn't a brush that I would usually use for this kind of thing. So what I'm taking is just some alcohol. You can also use acetone. They both work very well for gel polish. And I'm just going in and I'm just kind of shearing out the white color. I'm going back in with this milky nail polish from Nail Couture, and I'm also using that to help me blend. And as you can see, my brush literally has so much alcohol on it that when I dip it into the polish, it already gives it that very like faded, soft, like smoky look. This is the easiest way to do this. So I wanted to show you guys this, me doing this one nail at a time, but for the rest of the nails, I will be doing them all at the same time, because this one nail took like 20 minutes alone to do. So as you guys can see right here, I'm building up the color just a little bit more, only because I know that once I file these down, they're not going to be overly thick. So I'm just kind of building the nail up a little bit. Obviously, every time you do the first nail, it is kind of trial and error with something new. So just figure out what works best for you. I did find that this was very runny as well. I don't know if it was the gels being mixed together, but it was very runny. So I would say definitely do one nail like this at a time and then flash cure, just so that it's not slipping and sliding. Okay, so you guys can see that's one layer. So I'm adding in just a little bit more white, and just freestyle this, you guys. Like, just freestyle it and see what works for you. There's no wrong way to do this. Like, you're doing so many layers that like a lot of this gets covered up. So, and right here you guys will see that I'm taking this chrome powder I got this from Walmart actually, and I'm just kind of dusting that in with the polishes, and it gave it that like really pretty metal, like not metal, but like I don't know how to explain it, that really natural like stone finish. It looks so good. As you guys will see, I'm literally just doing layers and layers and just putting some on, taking some off. This is very simple. Okay, so once we're gonna finish smoothing that last layer on, now this is when we start to do the rest of my hand, because at this point I'm just trying to hurry up, and now that I know what I want my nails to look like, I'm less scared and I know that I can, you know, freestyle a little bit more. And guys, don't be afraid to just be random. You can obviously look at a natural stone and, you know, study it and see where lines would go, but honestly, just do your own thing, you know? This would look good in any color. Like, when I first tried this out, I tried it out in green and I loved it, but the amount of jade green nails on YouTube was actually insane. So I figured, you know what, let's switch it up. Let's try Aquamarine. You know, baby blue is in right now, so I said let's just go that route, and I absolutely loved this set. guys, I can't lie, when I was doing my nails like this, they get so thick and bulky and random that I wasn't sure this would turn out good. But this is literally one of those examples of trust the process, because your nails might look crazy for a while, but once you put that top coat on and everything is like sealed, these turned out so cute. Like, I was pleasantly surprised. They are long though, I won't lie. Like, I'm not used to wearing my nails this long, and I didn't know what to do with my one hand being done for like a whole day. It was very, very awkward. So as you guys will see right now, I am going to go ahead and start building up the nails. I'm satisfied with the amount of layers I have, and yeah, this part looks really messy. I promise I actually know how to do gel nails. You guys, just chalk it up to me being tired, because I literally never do my nails this messy, but they still turned out really good. So honestly, if you're a beginner, this is friendly for you, because I'm not trying to be a perfectionist. And you guys, once I cure that, I just go back in, and instead of me clear capping, which is what I would usually do, I still had a good amount of the gel left, so I figured, you know, why not just use this gel as my like clear cap, because honestly it's just clear builder gel mixed with pigment anyway, so you know, it's the same stuff, and that way I'm not wasting any gel, because gel is expensive. It is not your cheap Essie nail polish from Target. It gets expensive, you know. For IBD gel, I think it's like $20 for 2 ounces, so I'm definitely gonna get my money's worth. So after they're done curing, this is what they look like before filing, and this is what they look like now. They look 1,000 times better, like 1,000 times better. And right now I'm taking my top coat, and look at this, you guys. Like, look how pretty these turned out. Like, I was so impressed. They look so good. I did go back in earlier today, which is the next day, and I added in a little bit more blue, which you'll see in the final picture. I just feel like I wanted a little bit more marbling and dimension in my nails, but yeah, I don't show it on camera because I didn't feel like it until today. So yeah, but other than that, you guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it inspires you to go play around with your nail supplies. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my homemade cuticle oil, which I learned how to make myself. And yeah, this is it. They turned out so good, and I hope you guys like them. And yeah, thanks for staying through to the end. And honestly, if you guys try this out, let me know, because I would love to see what you guys come up with. Like, yes, I loved these. Also guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.